Agtayo, just. Wala tayong magagawa. No, start new game.
Start? Kahaba-haba.
Ay, ako ga-start. No! Start over again. Ano, what? Naka-save? Speedrun natin, just. Eh, bakit yung iba? Wait. Bakit parang bagura? Or am I blind? At wala yung sunflower ko.
Yellow lang. Sunflower.
Wait. Why the sunflower ko?
Tell her, wish her well in finding her husband. Why don't you
Yeah,
read?
baka screen
Okay.
Up next is some chat.
I feel deranged. No. Super hard yung horse nga to.
Ay,
Now,
ano?
aron, pasko ging volume. No, nag-start. Paano? Pero kanda tayo, may part 4 tas anda. My God. Hello?
Ikaw.
Kaya ra, I think. Speedrun natin.
Gaano ako? Screen record.
Screen record ka?
Yeah.
How will you send it?
Kaya.
How will you send it to me?
Huwag na lang mag-screen record.
Okay.
What did you feed it?
Those hitchhikers from last week.
Well, looky here! Finally awake! I was beginning to think you were dead!
Ikat.
Welcome to Cottonwood Farm!
Walang
I'm
What's
Jackson!
up with this one's face?
William! What did I say about showing some respect when we have guests?
This is Jackson and this is William. Okay, remember natin.
You're acting like a damn fool, Jackson.
Super tagal.
You were brought here tonight for a special reason.
Oh my
The Lord
God.
wants us to show everyone our gift,
Gabi mo
and we cannot disappoint the Lord.
Oh,
This Lil
Kita
Piggy
mo
was
flower.
very naughty, getting loose and scaring you out there on the road. But
di ko
don't
makitang
worry,
flower.
he's getting a brand new home.
Is it me or nagnami the graphics? Oh, at ako na naman yung anang inaamoy. Ako lang permi just. Why?
Oh.
At same position na naman tayo, just.
Well, I've got a pig to catch.
Nandito naman ako dito ka. Deja vu. Jackson, no? Ginastare na kita. Okay.
Let's go.
Aside mo man iba ni mo just kung paano mag-quick use. Ara, the med kito.
Hindi man di ba gaubos do ano?
Galin.
Stamina.
Wait. Hala, may speedrun kita? I may sprint? Am I?
Meron.
Nakalimutan ko ta.
Oh, it's lock. Juna lock.
Ha?
Kailangan natin susi. What the hell?
Talapoto. Oops, nakalimutan ko gali anong dumanakin. Whoops. Parang hindi na ako marunong ah. Parang hindi na ako marunong.
Oh, nag-open. Oh!
Forgot mo na? Ay, wait. Never mind. Parang nagbago.
Wait lang.
This is part 1 upstairs.
Lag ako.
Okay. Pick up a cat's touch. Hala, Stig! Nagbago. Tagin man, just.
Juna, may first aid. Kunin mo.
Yes, it is mine. Sa'yo man di ba nimo ko sindo, ano?
Yeah.
Do inventory naton.
Yes.
First
Sige
statue.
na, Robert.
I-check mo sa TV. Check mo sa TV.
Wait lang.
Hanto.
Ano man?
I don't know. Yung may red rose.
Saan yan banda?
Sa Sa may red rose nga, ano, vase, which is Raya.
Para gali, oh.
May cat statue ka?
Yeah.
Sin kaya ron?
Pero sa may opening, sa may ano, oh, sa may labas.
Yung sa may sunflower nga vase,
Ito rin sa may labas.
they definitely need to take better care of their pool table. Honey, it's, ano, not very good.
Yun yun.
Oh, just, maoging ano. Oh my god, na-stuck pa ako.
Bakit ang bilis niya?
Yes, ako naging ano, yung target. Jess, pabalik na siya sa'yo. Just saying.
Wait lang yan.
Door statue dyan sa iya malapit sa atong spawn.
Yun, kakontaran yung statue.
Oh, nice. Jess, pabalik na siya dito. Or, wait, nag-stop to. Oh no, paagto na siya dun. Jess, you're gonna die. Oh my god, na-stuck pa ako. Ayaw niya sa akin, just. Dito, just. Come, dito. So, the horse statue sa likod mo, just. Yes, wow, feeling prone. Oh. Aton?
Oh yeah.
Wait, haron do, ano, the piggy. Oh, I have it. Hello. I have the key. Wait, I need to equip it. Okay. There must be something here now. Never mind. Jess, halika na. Let's go. Naano pa akong alam mo na nano. This way. Goodbye. Hello, knife. Yes. Hala, may inventory kita, just. Just saying, may tatlong inventory tayo. I-press mo lang the knife tapos pinatara in the box.
Yes, may naman na. The last time.
Huh? I feel noob.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Meron na.
I feel noobed. Wait, is it just me or nagbabod o pagkaon sa reft? Makalimutin ako just. Oh, look, it's William ba to? Oh, look. Just there's nothing. Okay, me recent disappearance of Jim E. Never mind.
Parang dyan na sa swamp.
Yes, I witnessed it in I witnessed it in my two eyes.
I'm not safe.
Oh god.
Sabi sa'yo eh. Ay, lag ako.
Yes, I have the gun again. Yeah.
We need an ammo.
Wala tayong ammo. Jackson, I left the laundry door key in the garage. Remember to use the gun to get in. P.S. Stop leaving your smelly sock around the house. We have 2 washing machine. 2? There's 1. Hala to gid may 2 washing machine gid man sanda. Sana all.
Go.
They are rich farmer. Ha? Wala tayong ammo?
Bakit ammo?
Wala akong ammo. Remember the plan. Ano? I must look around. Smack. I'm dying. Die. Aray. I'm dying slowly. How to find an ammo. Step 1. Look around. You can do it, Jess. How did we kill it? That's the question.
Hindi ko na
Nah, I died.
Oh no.
Oh no. Retry. Ala, stig nag-ibaw tagid man just di ako maka-revive automatically. Retry just. Nag-ibaw tagid man.
Ay.
Wag mong sabihin ga, uman yung man kita from the very start. Please! Wag, ayoko!
Eh?
Lilipad ako kara, lilipad. For real, lilipad ako kara. Ay, never mind. I have to medkit. Uman yung man kita.
Ay. Pinaunang.
So basically, hindi kita pwede maka, like,
This just in. Police have found evidence of abduction on a side road out near the mountains.
This is new.
Tire tracks, smashed glass, and several handprints in the dirt have
Wait,
been
alin da?
found.
Wala na, boring na kung ganito.
Ay, Jess, may mapa?
Wait.
Hala! Oh my goodness! May nakita kang mapa icon?
Super lag. Wa.
Sa dawom? Oh my goodness, Jess, may mapa icon ako.
Ah.
Kita mo?
Yes, saron yun. May na.
Oh my god! May upstairs, may downstairs. This is new?
May
Or,
coins ka ba?
I have no coins. May ammo ba? Like, nag-start gid kita from the very, I think ato the checkpoint. So, medyo delikado tangan nila just kung mag-witness kita at mga, house nga to. Mamatay kita kara.
Pero kuha kung amo. Ay, kapangit na. Sikunbet.
So, like, dapat may plano kita. What is the plan? Paano na to napatay do? Nga tong, cow? Yun the question.
Ano lang game mo na.
Sige.
Ano lang game? Nag-28.
Eh, wait, may ammo ka? May ammo ka?
Yes.
Wait. Paano na to ni patay? Harad do, do car sa taas?
Babayay mo magwala.
Sige.
Babayay mo magwala.
Sige. So, atong ubron na ngayon. So, like,
Iwasan na lima.
oh, I see.
Iwasan na lima. Tama ka. Sige,
Here, there could be...
Yes!
Just, need na to patsun do, do piganoy. Remember?
Iwasan lang yung mga tapos kung magkungkoy mo, katulay mo na i-continue. They can kill.
Wait. Need na to mabungkon para mahug dukot. Doon na dukot siya. Come on, kill it. Dad. Yes, you're gonna die.
Oh no. Wait lang.
Ikaw tana, Jess, nga gina-target.
Ouch.
I'm confused. How to kill this? Step 1, how? Need to write this. Snap me. You must die. Okay. Don't worry, I'm trying not to. There. Ah, hello. Are you okay, pig? Aron just it is time. I don't know what are you doing? Whoa, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Down here. Die. Ah! Die.
Dapat nga. Nice.
Hello. It's locked. Oh. Gingamit ko akong medkit.
Oh, not medkit.
Ara just so may medkit ako.
Basi may low life, ikaw.
Nope, gingamit ko nga ni full life. Wait lang, just may Hara just so may medkit.
Where?
Hara no, sa sulit
Oh,
cabinet.
yes.
May something ba sa box? Amati may ammo sa box. Wala na. Oh, it's gone. It's empty.
Oh, nakot amo.
Oh no, Jess. Huwag mo sabihin nga may kaura. I hope this is a checkpoint.
Madaya man to.
Yan yung talagang life, Jess.
Siya nito?
Alin doon, yung gimbuyot?
Laundry.
Sorry, dude. I thought
Huh?
you were one of the brothers for a second there.
Nagulat
Dude,
ako.
you have no idea how good it feels to see another person's face who's not
Hello?
trying to kill me. Listen, I'm in the same situation as you right now, dude. We don't have a lot of time.
Duhon. Super dami sabi.
Kalma, Jess, kalma.
There, the garden. That's our best way out of here. They've like chained off the whole porch.
Yeah.
There's a door over there.
Oh.
I saw the brothers with the key not too long ago.
That was awesome! I told you the pig in the garage was a great idea.
I must look.
You weren't the one that had to catch it.
Just dito, chismis
Find that
tayo.
other guy? The dumb one with the baseball cap?
He got away. I noticed the garage is open, so they've gotten this far. But don't worry. He'll turn up eventually.
Ooh, good. No, the hand. My goodness. Just look. He wave. Hala, tas may flower pa. Ay, no. Hindi yan flower. Ay, tama. It's a flower, gid man. Oh, ammo. There could be an ammo too. Oh, the same book. In the morning, the lion looked to the east, where the sun shone bright. In the afternoon, the lion treaded north along the
Dude,
riverbank.
naminas mo ang gumata ka gaoy kanda magpatay.
No! Don't worry, just checkpoint man to. Sige lang, tap a two. Wow, anong narinig ko? Jess? Do not die. Aray!
Sabi,
Akala ko patay won.
daya.
Akala ko patay won.
Nagagano na siya.
May something ba? Ammo.
Alin daw?
Wow, there's shotguns. What's this? Jess, ikaw lang kara. Di ako marunong sa clock.
Kuha
Pro.
ko na ba?
Yes, nakuha mo na. Harang nakabotang oh.
Back.
Jess, I'm scared. May cows.
Malapit na ako mamatay.
Hara, Jess, may medkit ako. May medkit.
Kilala yung medkit.
Oh no. Parang. Wow, bakit mo sinarado? Jess! Ayan.
Scary na din.
Oh my god, Jess, got charged on the... I'm scared.
Kaya nga ni.
Take it.
Kilala yung life.
I'm still good. I'm still good. Take it. Just be careful lang. Just look around. Keep tapping. Be careful. Babo sanda. Just saying. Got charged sanda. I'm telling you.
Wait. I'm lagging. Sa likod mo meron pa isa ha.
Okay. Just stay calm. Don't worry.
Ay, ayun. Amon. Wait.
Oh no, they can charge. Just saying. Fix the clock. Ako lang bala. Fix the clock. Ako lang bala.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm good. Asa na all just spider key. Karaw. I have 5 ammos na lang. May ano ka? May coin?
Let's use our coins.
May coin ka wa?
Meron.
Karon, baka kat ammo or medkit. I don't know magkano ba yung medkit?
Ay, tag-Jess. Tigis. Di kaya.
I have no, wala akong Robux. I have no Robux.
Tag-piso lang ali.
Yes, piso.
Ano ito nga? I forgot. Gamit.
I have no Robux.
Bakit coin?
I have no coin. Pero may ano ko, may shotgun ano ko. May shotgun ammo, which is I have no shotgun. Is food health too or no? Basi bukon.
Tag
I need something to cut. Oh, hello. Oh, there's a pie. Ano mangyari? Kanon ko ra? Jess. Kanon ko do pie?
go.
Do pie is ano man? Mingkong medkit man imaw.
Juna, may amo ka pa?
I have 5. Yes. Meron yun. I'm good. Yes. Kung may nakita ka, just nga box nga needs nga ikat, ay gamitan doon do knife. Knife.
Ouch!
Naubusan ka health?
What the heck?
Gina-hurt ka?
Yes.
Hala, just it was me. I cannot.
Kaunti na lang life ko again.
Uh-oh.
Let's go dyan yan.
Oh, hello. May
Manakot amo.
ako lang bala. Poor little guy. Wait. Okay. Ako lang bala. Hanap like something. Hello? May narinig ako, Jess. Just saying. Ha?
Let's go sa likod mo.
Wait. Oh my god, Jess. Just do not eat me. It's the eating me. Jess, you died?
I didn't.
We. I-revive mo ko, Jess? How?
Hindi mo revive na.
Gamitan
Kasi
do
ay,
medkit.
Wala na nga ni. May time
Then,
kasi kaina.
Keep going.
May monster.
Harap na may ammo.
Ay, aman ako lang mag-isa.
Don't worry, kung mamatay ka, babalik naman ako. Pero, babalik naman tayo sa... Ay, wait, tara no, may ano. Check everything.
Pag ba natapos mo na kita sa dayang
You will revive automatically when someone reach the checkpoint. Yes.
yon, check.
Or, kung mamatay ka, babalik naman tayo kung saan kita nag-stop.
Ay, mama.
I'm watching. Just walk away. You're gonna die. Do not be risky.
Bad guy.
Oo, Jess.
Ugo.
Jess, back away, back away. Back away, back away, back away. Run, run, run. You're stuck.
Ay, wala na ako amo.
Oh no, gamitin knife. Gamitin knife. Stab it. Stab. Aron the timer, oh, nga medkit. Ganyan talaga ang life. Ay, nako, Lord. Are you dead?
Ay, revive pag mga
I cannot revive. Need ko ng Robux. Tabi ako, just it Robux. Nakalimutan ko mag-emit Yakult, ah. I forgot to drink. Hindi na malamig. Hindi na malamig yung ginainom ko. Hello? Ala, nandito pa yung amo ko. Nandyan
So,
pa.
daya man kasi.
Wait. As in, nagbalik yun kita to start or... Oh, never
Nagbalik
mind.
sa start.
Okay. Hello, amo. Nice to... Ako lang, Jess. Ako lang patay. Para at least tayo sa amo. Never mind! Never mind!
33.
Run! Back away, back away, back away, back away, back away.
Ala, naglalaro.
Dead? Dead on arrival? Isa pa, may isa pa.
May isa pa.
Go. Back away, Jess! Back away. I'm gonna lose a lot of ammo. Thank you very much. Arrive. Alam ko patay. Just kill it. I'm gonna die. Okay. Are you good, Jess? I'm gonna die.
Ay, wow, nag-bug ko ng cellphone. Hindi ako pa rin.
It's okay. I'm here. I think. I don't know if we survive. I'm gonna survive. Ah, what is this? Ammo?
Hindi ako use it gun.
Okay, I'll do it. I can do this. Don't worry, just.
Bahayan ko ang tag-green ha.
Okay. Is it wake up?
Yes.
Back away lang, just. Back away. Back.
I hate this game.
Back. Back.
Trap.
Aray.
No!
Gamitin knife, Jess. You can do it. But at least...
Bakit eh?
Ay, nako, na-miss ko yung namamatay ka to revive ka rin yagi. Ay, nako, I miss that.
Bakit na yung game?
Okay, isa lang. Oh, nandiyan sa taas ko. Or dare he? Ano na lang, Jess?
Malala.
Ano lang, Jess. Ako lang, anay. Kung maubos ako nga bala, ikaw rin masunod. At aron na to strategy para, tipid tayo sa bala. Deal? Deal or no deal? Ay!
Ing try ko, aywa, nagana kaina.
Naroon yun. And I lost a little bit of life.
Oh, sorry.
Halin. I must kill this person. Tipid tayo kasi. Yes. Okay, we're good. Wait, I have... Oh, wow. I have no coin.
Araw amo, ibig aywa gani.
Don't worry, I have one. Don't worry. May ano ka? May baril ka? Ayan, Jess, ayan. Go away, Jess. Woo, you're gonna die. I remember nga ga-charge sanda.
Ooh, nice.
Nice. May isa pa. Pila lang just yung ammo. Baka wait, Jess. Jess, I have no ammo. Repeat, I have no ammo. Nice. Okay, pwede na tayo. Bago kita mag-to sa grenade, check natin the surrounding. Check for ammo.
Kuha na yung amo. Ako lang do shotgun.
Sige.
Imo ra handgun amos.
Okay.
Ito may inain.
May coin ka, Jess?
Isa lang.
Ay, agto ni ito sa vending machine at sa bilog nga medkit para kimo.
Okay.
I cannot see the monster. There's an hourglass on the other side. I have 20 ammos.
Ay, shucks, Jones.
What?
Ay,
Anong gimbakaw?
bot laman do vending machine.
What? So, una pa gyapon kimo do coin?
Wala na. Nahulog ko.
No. Okay.
Handgun Jun ah.
Oh,
Amo.
hello. Okay, I'm ready to die.
Ay, may aswang pala yan.
Halin Diyos, halin. Or ikaw na una. I forgot nga ga-charge sanda Jess. Ga-charge sanda kung sanda ga-tuksay dawom. Halin balik sa sa living room.
Na-close the door.
Jess!
We have to close the door.
Aray! Jess, why did you lie? The pain of agony. Abutan sa 1 hour.
Wait lang. Lag ako.
Anong plano mo, Jess?
Hindi siya maglabas. Why?
Hala, haron yun, Jess. Nakakigundo Monster King mo. Haron na plano. Go, kito. Is it? I must look. Wala na siya, Jess. Back away for you. You poor.
What's my plan?
Jess, what is your plan? Agto sa hourglass?
Ay, sarado man gihapon do door.
Basi may something una. Wa?
Kinabaliktad ra.
Righto. Just run. Just run. Do not stop.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm dead. Ato sa door. Ayan. Thank you.
Ay, sa-
I lived.
Thank
Nagulat
God this
ako.
thing works. Dude, the brothers trapped me in the basement, man. I managed to get away, but dude, there's someone, no, something
Hindi
down
ako
here with me.
medkit.
Okay.
I think it has the key. You
Body
gotta help me,
vibe.
dude, and quick. I don't know how much longer I can. Wait, dude, we can talk about this.